Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the fuzzy effect to overlay only. So in other words, how you can apply the fuzzy effect to overlay only in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to select the image and I'm going to add the overlay, put on top another clip, and I'm going to resize and remove the background. Right. So I'm going to add the fuzzy effect. So go to effect and select glitch video effect. And you can find the fuzzy, add the thread, and you can just for the duration is same length, or you can split and remove unused. So to apply the fuzzy effect to overlay only, you can select the overlay and the effect, and then right click and then you can select the create component clip. So this is the final effect, the fuzzy effect applying to overlay only. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.